Want the best safety glasses or goggles? Our testers researched 31 models before buying 9 top-performing models available today to test hands-on and in-depth. We fogged, poked, scratched, dusted, and eventually smashed each pair to find what works best no matter the situation. With so many options, it can be difficult to find what will provide the protection you need with the comfort you want. To help with finding the right pair of eye protection, we've laid out what our testing showed works among the best equipment out there. No matter the job, you'll find the protection you need here. From cleanup work with the best battery chainsaws and the top cordless string trimmers to shop projects with top-tier circular saws, our D experts have tested plenty of tools that throw bits and pieces around. There are numerous options for cheap best safety glasses, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best safety glasses from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Links in the description box for each products mentioned. Number 1. NoCry Clear Anti-Fog. We think that the NoCry Clear Anti-Fog glasses are the bee's knees for daily driver eye protection. They're lightweight with an adjustable fit and quality lenses, and comfortable enough that, at moments, we even forgot that we were wearing them, an uncommon feat in a world of protective glasses. The low profile of the NoCry glasses worked well with hats, respirators, masks, and ear protection. They also performed surprisingly well on our impact tests and didn't get too scratched up, even after all the abuse we laid on them. The highly transparent lens didn't distort our testers' vision, so there were no tired eyes at the end of the day. We can't complain about the price either, although there are a few features that make the NoCry spectacles adjustable, and we like that they have holes to attach straps to. They are a pretty standard design. Unlike some of the others we tested, they lack any kind of a gasket. Number 2. SolidWork Safety Goggles. For serious eye protection, you have to bring out the big guns, and this means switching from glasses to goggles. We found the SolidWork safety goggles to provide the most protection while remaining quite comfortable. The thick rubber gasket provides coverage from nearly all fumes and dust, and provides surprisingly good impact protection. While goggles often get foggy, even with a respirator and in a high humidity environment, the anti-fog coating SolidWork put on their lens work quite well. Although the rubber gasket seals out dust and is pretty comfortable, our testers found that it got quite sweaty under there because the rubber has a broad contact with skin. While dealing with the sweat issue, we also realized that it's hard to adjust the strap for tightness while you have these on, and removing them isn't very convenient when you're also wearing a hat, mask. Number 3. Basic eyewear for tight budgets and quick D projects. Radians Mirage. If you don't wear safety glasses every day, or if you tend to break or lose them a lot, you may not want to invest an expensive pair. Enter the Radians Mirage. They offer adequate sight and bottom coverage for simple tasks, and they only cost a few bucks. They're super lightweight and didn't press on our testers' nose bridges or ears. Even after hours of wear, you do get what you pay for, and the Mirage lacks durability to an extent. They can shield eyes from direct contact with sawdust or shards, but might not survive long in your toolbox. The hinges and nose bridge flex easily, so much so that a heavy wrench on top of them could snap them, so you do need to take care with how you store them. Number 4. 3M Virtua CCS. For how inexpensive and small the 3M Virtua CCS are, they bring a lot to the table. For sport-style glasses, the Virtua hugs the face closely, providing excellent coverage. They also feature a removable foam gasket that helps prevent stray debris or dust from flying into one's eyes. A nice feature is their attachment system for corded earplugs, not included, which also makes for a good keeper loop. The Virtua glasses were easy to use with a hat and a respirator mask, and while going about our work, we barely noticed them. On the flip side, these are so lightweight that they're a bit flimsier than many other pairs we tested. Although we didn't experience this in our tests, these glasses could be more prone to breaking if they accidentally got crushed under tools or in a bag. They also don't have the greatest fog protection for high humidity environments. Number 5. Best Versatility Pyramex Eye Force. If you are looking for eye protection with adaptability for everything from spraying muriatic acid to running a wood chipper, look no further than the Pyramex Eye Force glasses. This pair of spectacles can go from full protection goggles with a foam gasket and full strap to a stripped-down pair of standard glasses with regular temples. In either mode, they provided excellent durability and protection. To keep track of all the parts, We'd recommend a full-on glasses case with these, but we loved how versatile one pair could be. Like many jacks of all trades, these are often masters of none. They were a bit chunky as a regular pair of safety specs compared to some of the more low-profile models, and they were less comfortable in goggle mode than the dedicated safety goggles. Also, the vertical articulation at the hinge initially seemed nifty, but just ended up with the glasses always being a bit awkward on our testers' faces. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.